Which daily habits do you seek out or believe in that impact your role in healthcare?
I think daily habits that I see because I care for the elderly, strength training is really underrated. I think a lot of people walk and or run and they feel like that's kind of it as far as fitness goes. And you think about lifting weights like it's Arnold Schwarzenegger or
Mhm.
Brock Leonti or something like this. But you think of people being muscle bound. But the reality is quad strength is like the single greatest predictor of independence as we
Mm.
age. And so if you're not lifting weights when you're 30, 40, 50, then when you get to be 70, 80, and 90, and your muscle wastes and you don't have the strength to get up from a chair or to walk across the room or whatnot. And so I think the biggest thing I try to counsel people on in clinic is strength training is not just for meatheads. If you're not trying to get stronger when you're 70, then you are definitely getting weaker. And I think the more and more longevity research and books, Peter Attia is very popular. Howard Lukes is a popular guy on LinkedIn talking about it. You need to be strength training. Exercise is good for so many things, and specifically to physical mobility and mental health as we age.
No
So
doubt. Yeah.
I guess strength training would be the thing.